All right, welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn on how to add a team member. All right, so if you are a subscribed member to this software, then based on number of subscriptions you have taken, you'll be able to add your team members. So example, if you have taken a subscription for 50 members, then you are already a member. You can add 49 more team members. All right. If you have taken a subscription for 30 people, including you are already there on the portal, you can add 29 more teammates. All right. When it comes to creating the department or categories, there is no limit. You can create as many categories as you want. So let's learn quickly on how do you add your team members and how to make your and their life easy by starting this journey, by delegating the task to them. All right. So let's get going. All right. So what do? You simply go to the portal, you log in. Once you log in, you go to this particular icon which says team member. And when you click on this, as you can see on the left side, you have an option of add a team member. That's where you add a first name, you add the last name, you add the WhatsApp number of your teammate. And this is where you can define the role. Now, if your team member is just a team member, just add them as a team member. And if your team member is HOD, head of any department, then only add them as the manager. All right. And if your team member is, let's say head of IT, and you want to delegate the task of actually adding the team member to that teammate, then you can make the teammate admin as well, because only admin can add the other teammates. Let me repeat, only admin can add new team members. So if you add a team member and make him the admin, then he or she can add new team members as well. And one more thing, if you by mistake make somebody admin or make somebody manager or make somebody team member as well, we give you the option to edit the details of that team member as well. All right. But it does not mean that you make a mistake of spelling mistakes or contact number mistakes. All right. So how do you add it? Simply add their first name, add the last name. If they are from India, good. Otherwise, you choose their country. Add their WhatsApp number. Now, what mistake you might be making while adding the contact number, you might end up adding 91 already, which is already added. So the number should be only of 10 digits. Do not make a mistake of adding 91 additionally. All right. So just add a number of 10 digit. After that, add their email address. Yes, the good news is they will get the email reminders as well. All right. And just create a simple password. So let's say if the teammate is Cable Kishan, just create a password. Let's say Cable123. Let it be very simple so that your teammate can use it. Your teammate can change it later, but it should not be like you create a very complicated password. And what do? You just simply click on add team member, and your team member will receive an email and a WhatsApp with the link to login. And when they click on login option, they will go back to the login screen, where they will have to log in with their email address that you have given the access on and with the password that you have created. By any chance, if you forget the password that you created for them, no worry, your teammate can add their email address on which they've got the access, and then you can click on forget password and they can add their email address, and an email of resetting the password will go to their email, then they can reset as well. This software is the easiest software in the world to use it, and it will make your life as well super easy. All right. So this was easy. How do you add your team members? Let me give you another thing here. How do you add departments? Now, if you want to delegate a task to somebody, for example, you're delegating a task to somebody around sales call or accounts or GST report or something, you choose the team member here, right? But the task that you want to give, is it a sales task, or is it a design task, or is it accounts task, right? There is always a category. So here there's an option of choosing the category. You जो task at this task, it is under which category or which department or which project or which store or which location. So category could be anything. It could be location, it could be department, it could be store, right? And you can create as many categories as you want. So here, how does this drop down and these categories come up? So for that, you go to the this gearbox icon, which is called settings. You click on this and you go to the categories option. And this is where, my friend, you can add categories, right? As I told you, category could be department, it could be your projects, it could be your locations, it could be your stores, it could be something else as well. Like in my case, our category is sales, marketing, social media marketing, paid marketing, funnels, what's flow, task delegation, SaaS, right? Accounts, webinars. Just add your categories. And how do you add it? Simply write the category here. All right. So example, you're adding a category called customer referrals. You want somebody to take customer referrals from the customers every month. So what you can do, you can just click on this and you have added a new category here, and you can see on the left here, right? Now if I go to the task app and if I delegate task, here you can see in the category, here you can see this is the referral, customer referral category that we have just added. We can see it here as well. Coolio? Awesome. Now, by any chance, while delegating the task, you recall, okay, this task is under a category which is not available here. You have an option of adding the category real time in this box as well. For example, you want to add a category called customer testimonials. So you can write here customer testimonials and you can click on plus button and this new category has been added, customer testimonials. And by mistake, you make a spelling mistake, right? On creating the category, you can just go back to the settings again, go to the category, and here you can edit. You can edit the category. And you feel, okay, this category is not required. You have an option of deleting the category, but because your category might have few tasks related to this. So if you delete a category, all the tasks connected to that category will be deleted. So that is the reason we have added a pop-up in which if you confirm, the category will be deleted. If you don't confirm, if you click on cancel, it will not be deleted. So this was a tutorial on how to add your category and how to add your team members as well. I know you're not able to hold on your excitement because you know the next tutorial is how do you delegate the task to your teammate. So are you excited for the next tutorial? I'm really excited. Okay, let's get the freedom from follow-ups by you going to the next lesson and learning how to delegate a task. Thank you.